Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this cute cupcake origami. The only thing you need for this lesson today is a piece of paper. If you have regular computer paper, you can use that. Origami paper, construction paper, loose leaf, okay? And I showed you guys in my previous videos how to turn your regular piece of paper into a square. So we're going to start off with our paper. I have double-sided origami paper. I'm pretty sure you guys don't. So I'm going to start with my wide side facing up. So what you're going to do, first you're going to fold the page in half. So you know how we just fold it up in half? That's what we're going to do. So we're going to flip it up, fold it in half. When it's aligned well, we're going to make sure you just take your time, don't rush this process. When it's aligned, we're going to crease it, okay? And then we're going to open it up. We're going to turn the paper around, and now we're going to crease it again, but the other side of the paper. And then we're going to open it. So when you open it, you should have something like this. Now we're going to take this bottom part and we're going to flip it to meet at that center line. Flip this up. Make sure that it matches the center line. And we're going to crease it. So you should have something that looks like this. Now we just folded this up. Now we're going to crease it backwards and fold it down like that. And make sure that it's not crooked and the folded line in the center matches the line on the paper. So you should have something that looks like this. And what we're going to do is fold this in half again downwards to meet the bottom line. Crease it, okay? Now we're just going to undo that fold we just did, and we're going to put the paper back in half the way we originally folded it before. Now you're gonna take this part right here where this line creases and we're gonna flip it down. Now we're gonna do an accordion effect on the same crease. We're not gonna go above, we're not gonna go below it. So what you're gonna do is where this crease is, you're gonna crease it up. You're gonna flip it up, crease it. Going to flip this part here up as well on that crease, and you have created a ripple accordion effect, right? So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn it around and we're going to fold these backwards, fold these tabs back, and basically we're going to fold it to that line. So the same line that you have in the front over here. You can probably see it through your paper. We're going to fold the tabs towards that line. Something like this. And then you should crease it. So it should be like on an angle. And we're going to do the same on the opposite side. We're going to flip it backwards. Crease it, making sure that the top of the triangle that you're folding back is lined up with the back. It's lined up with that line that you just created before. So when you're done with that, it should look like this, and we're going to turn it around. Now we're going to create the the icing part. This is really simple. We're gonna fold it back a little bit. That we're gonna crease it, and we're gonna do the same thing we did with this, but now we're gonna flip it up a little bit and we're gonna crease it. So when we flip it up, we're creasing it behind that. Then we're gonna fold it down a little bit. So we're gonna go up a little bit above this line, fold it down, and then we're gonna flip it up a little bit. Use our finger to push it down and crease it up. And that's all. That's how you make a cupcake origami. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope it was really simple for you guys to grasp and understand. And I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Bye guys. Hope you guys are safe.